Igbo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji Nilo no Wakwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. In the banya, I'm from ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, and this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. So, shout out to Tilia for sending her name in for today's Igbo Name of the Day request. So I asked Tilia to describe herself for me. And one of the things that stuck out to me was that she said that she wanted to create generational wealth and build a legacy. So I thought of the perfect name for her. Olako. Come on, say it with me. Olako. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, so Ola. Ola just means like house or home. And Ako means wealth, riches, just great material possessions, right? So you put those two together and you get Olako, which means basically a mighty house, a house of wealth, things like, a house that has legacy, a house that has just, that's a house of affluence, right? So I gave her that name because she said she wanted to build generational wealth, and that was a common theme in her life. That's something that's reoccurring, and it makes up a lot of her personality. Olako. So, Olako's names give them the power to be entrepreneurial, sophisticated, and very generous. Share this with all the Olakos that you know. Thanks. So what do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Olako. Let me know in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Also, did I get the translation right? Let me know as well, too. Like this video, leave a comment below about what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell notification so that you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. Don't forget to hit my Instagram DM in the description below if you would like your own Igbo name. So let me know what you think about this series. I'll gift you an Igbo name if you don't have one, so don't worry about that. And if you already have an Igbo name, I'll feature it on the Igbo Name of the Day. Thanks. Take care. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I will see you